Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to animate a word or a name. There are 4 animations I'm going to be teaching you. The first one will be how to change the size when the mouse touches the letter. The second will be it changing its costume when it's touching the letter. Third, changing color. And last but not least, it's going to be spinning. Let's get into it. So first, let's choose our word. And I think my word is going to be code. So let me get all my letters. So there are my letters. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to have a change size. So we need a when green flag clicked block. And since it's going to be changing size, we want it when the green flag is clicked, it sets the size to its original size. And we need an if-else block. Because we wanted to do, what it's going to do when the mouse is touching it, we're going to put if touching mouse pointer in there. And then if it's touching the mouse pointer, we want it to change size. But first we need an if block in there again. And if the size is less than 125, then we want it to change size by 5. And under here, we want another if block. And if the size is more than 100, we want it to change size by -10. Let's try this. So it's not really working because we need this in a forever loop. So it's forever checking. There we go. And then next, let's do the change costume one. So first, we need to have another costume here. I'm going to choose the apple. And we want it when the green flag is clicked, the costume switches to the O. And then we need another if-else block. And since we also want this to happen when it's touching the mouse pointer, we need that. If it's touching the mouse pointer, switch costume to apple. But if it's not, switch costume to glow. And it's not working because, again, we need this in a forever loop. So we got our size, and there's our costume. Now, let's do the color. When the green flag is clicked, remember, we need our forever loop. And in there, we're going to put our if-else block. Again, if it's touching the mouse pointer, let's have it change color flag by 25. But if it's not touching the mouse pointer, clear graphic effects. And let's try that out. Yep, it's working all right. And now let's do the turning around block. So when green flag is clicked, we need another forever loop and an if-else block. We need the touching the mouse pointer, and if this is happening, we want it to turn 15 degrees this way, else point in direction 90. Let's test that out. Yep, it's working. Now let's test out all our letters. Yep, that's working all right. That's working amazing. That's super cool. And that's also amazing. Now, down in the description, comment which is your favorite animation. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe. See y'all later. Bye!